This is a rare live recording session open to the public, and it takes place in an unexpected space in Taipei, an old abandoned movie theater. First opened in 1978, the cinema was closed in 2001 due to flooding. American audio engineer Andy Baker is one of the musicians who transformed the deserted space into something useful.
I thought it would be pretty great if so many bands in Taiwan could get an opportunity to record in a studio, kind of similar to what a US studio is like. I'm filling it with a lot of instruments that I've brought over from the US, like old 70s keyboards and electric pianos and stuff, and old 60s drums. And, you know, I knew it was going to be tons of work, but the potential was so good, the high ceiling.
Baker has been living in Taipei for 13 years and found the closed cinema 4 years ago. He said he was drawn to the building's high ceiling, which helps to create the most natural sound.
We recently recorded my album here at the studio, and Andy, the owner of the studio, he was the engineer on the album, and he liked our music and invited us to perform for the open house. It was a lot of fun to play our music and in the setting of the studio, and have people in the studio to listen to us.
It was such a treat, very relaxing. You can see the interactions between musicians, and the experience was very enjoyable. The audio engineer said the work he put into creating the studio, while preserving the old cinema look, probably aged him by a decade. But he said it was worth the effort.
I mean, that's pretty cool to see a building preserved as well, you know, like an old movie theater.
CNA, Taipei.
I just found this out the other